Hey guys, JB here. Excited to do an unboxing today for you. I got something awesome in this box that I want to show you that I've been looking forward to. Let's go ahead and get it out here and take a look at this and see what we got. And that is the new plastic. No, we have the new Sony Linkbuds. Now these are pretty cool because, as you know, I love my Beats, right? These are my favorite earbuds, but I decided to go with a different one to try these because these are supposedly bone conducting. So let's see what's in the box. I ordered these from Best Buy and I may be selling these, so I don't want to destroy the box, but it looks like you got to open it where at? Down here. They've got a little thing on it. So we open it down here. There we go. Like I said, I'm probably going to end up selling these, so I don't want to destroy the box. But let's see, how does that open? Does this open this way? I'm not very gentle on boxes. Let's see, here it goes. Okay, so there we go. So as we take it out, come on, get out of there. It's one of these, I guess we got to push it out. Man, that thing does not want to get out of there. Oh, duh. Got to take it apart. There it goes. Okay, comes in a box. Nice packaging there. Let's see. It says one. It's got a little bit of a thing to it. Let's see. Okay, it's a small, pretty small box here. It says 1, start, 2, put it in the ear, and 3. Okay, so it's got a little thing. And then I think there's probably a charging cable in here. Let's see. Box is decent. Let's see. Yeah, down here at the bottom is a cable. I believe it's USB-C. Let's see. Yep, USB-C. Is there anything else in here? Yeah, there's some manuals and stuff. Down here at the bottom. 360 reality audio. Okay, so here it is in this little container. We'll take this apart. We'll take a look at these. Again, pretty small. Okay, compared to the Beats are here, so we'll put the Beats here. Let's open it up. So inside we have the little Sony Link. These are called Sony Linkbuds. So they're really interesting in that they've got a opening to them. So they're kind of interesting. See how they're open compared to other earbuds, right? So they're about the same size. But for me, the test is how do they sound and how do they run? So let's go ahead and let's stick these in and see what they sound like. And we'll give them a shot to see if they can replace my Beats earbuds for a better earbud. Again, the case is pretty cool. They fit in there pretty easily. Small little case. Works pretty good. Let's go ahead and connect them to the iPhone and see how they sound. Look like they set up pretty good. Here they are. They're coming in here. It says Linkbuds. So let's go ahead and put them in. Let's see if they connect. They did connect. Okay, they are kind of weird. Sony headphones app that you do not have installed. Would you like to get it? Okay, so I'm going to get the app from the App Store. Let's see what it is. Sony headphones. But before we get going, let me just double click to install. Let's go ahead and try some music and see how it sounds. Let's go to music. Okay. Now, here's what's weird. Supposedly if you'd click anywhere, it'll change. Okay, that's not working, but I haven't put the app in, so let's put the app on. Okay, there's the headphones connect. Sounds really good. Okay, they sound really good, to be honest with you. It's weird because they got these holes in them. And they sound really good. Proceed without restoring. Okay, so this thing, I got to see what we can do with this. 360 audio setup. Okay. Okay. Sounds really good, to be honest with you. I'm surprised how good these sound. Oh, it does work. Wow! So if you tap on your bone, it actually turns off and turns on. Wow. That is so trippy. So I guess the big test would be, how do these, oh shoot, there's one out of the ear already. How good do they hold in the ear? Let's go out and do a run test. I actually like the sound a lot. To be honest with you, the sound is really good. Let's go outside and do a run test because these are pretty cool. They actually feel really good. It's weird. Man, they hold pretty good. This here I always have trouble with, but it does seem like they're holding good. And they got this 360 reality audio. I haven't done it yet. I'm going to go ahead and set that up. Let's go outside, give them a run and see, and then I'll come back and we'll do the final kind of outlook. Can these Sonys replace my Beats for $179? Let's go find out. So I came outside for just a quick run here, and you can see they're holding pretty steady. See if you can see them in the ear there. And I can actually hear stuff around, which is pretty good. And it's kind of cool, like the bone convection. That's kind of the new thing. For 179 bucks, man, I don't think you can beat these things. They fit pretty good. They sound amazing. I'm actually very impressed with these things. The Sony Linkbuds, brand new from Sony. I think I'm going to keep these. They really fit good in my ears, and that's always my hardest part is, are they falling out? Really worked with the iPhone. I got the new Samsung Ultra 22 coming, but I like these. So what do you guys think in the comments below? Take a look at these things. Pretty unusual Linkbuds from Sony. They sound pretty good. Let me know what you think down below. See you guys in the next video.